What's going on, campers? Are you ready to check out this awesome toy hauler that comes with this awesome pull-down bed, a beautiful bathroom, a master bedroom with a walk-around bed, an eatery bar, and an easy lift toy hauler door? What more can you ask for? Here's a brand new 25TH by Starcraft. This is in the Autumn Ridge line. As we're doing a walk around, starting right up front, it comes with two 20-pound propane tanks and the propane cover, a power tongue jack, a 2 5/16 ball at the coupler, 7-pin round wiring with the brake controller and electric brakes. We have 4 stabilizer jacks at each corner, a pass-through storage up front with the magnetic door, fire escape window, gutter system at the top. Here's our docking station with our water controls and our outside shower. Use a diagram between tank fill and city water connections. This also has our coaxial cable ports. Down below is our freshwater drains and low point drains and our dump station. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Black is for the toilet and gray is for your drains. Now we're going on to the water heater. Standard 6-gallon gas water heater. Into another portable water fill. This is our second freshwater fill. Furnace exhaust. 30-amp power cord plug. Cables right inside. Down below into our dual axles. These do come with the green valve stems, so that means that there's nitrogen inside. Oxygen friendly, so if you need to refill it with air after you're leaving the beach, feel free. Comes with ST 225 7015s for tires. Right here is our hood vent, so when we're cooking we can pop open this vent and exhaust the fumes. Alright, now we're going to walk back to the trailer and we're going to look at our Lipper on the go ladder bracket up top. Buy the Lipper on the go ladder and connect it right there to get to the roof. And we do have a 200-watt solar panel up top there up front. Down below here we're going to point out our vents, assuming we're carrying toys with fuel inside. Those are our vents to get those fumes out. The ramp door is 7 foot 3 inches wide by 8 foot long. This also comes with an 18-foot power awning, 2 outside speakers, that beautiful high-rise roof in the back, a nice 3-step solid step entrance with the entry door handle, that thermal steel for the extended season package, and all the extras on the inside. I'll go through how all these work at the end too. Comes with the eatery bar that flips up and down. This bed goes right up against the roof or pulls down into the bed with the ladder. Then we have our 2 beds down below that turn into that full-size dinette. Full kitchen here with the stove, 3-burner with the oven, cabinets down below, drawers, nice big sink. Look how far those drawers pull out. Those are long drawer slides. Big sink, window, cabinets above. Microwave, Shelving above all the cabinetry all around. There's your hood vent, 3-burner stove with the stovetop cover. And the oven with your heater blower or your intake, air intake, my apologies. This is an awesome brand new residential fridge. And the best part about this fridge is it opens up on both sides. And that is both for the freezer and for the fridge. Cabinetry, cabinetry, cabinetry. There can never be enough storage, especially in a toy hauler. Spot for a TV. Stereo with HDMI and USB and Bluetooth. Here's a spot to plug in the TV. Some cabinets down below with our fuse box and our breaker box with the auto detect converter. That way you can tell if it has a lithium, AGM, or lead acid battery. You can see all the D-rings for the floor mount with a toy hauler. Upgraded bathroom with a glass door shower, fan over top. Ample amounts of room for our knees and our elbows on the toilet. Sink and storage. Little vanity above. Plenty of room for the meds. All ducted heat. All ducted air conditioning. Air conditioning vents up top in the bathroom and the front bedroom. And we're going to see the heater vent up in the front bedroom too. Solar controller right there with a 200-watt solar panel up top. And spot to put your TV in the master bedroom. Closets on both sides. Nightstands below with charging stations. There's the wireless charger or USB charger. Here's a table for the dinette out in the garage. Underbed storage with struts. Right there's a vent for the heat in the bedroom, which not all of them have. Shelf above. And 2 entrances into the master bedroom. One from the bathroom and then one from the hallway. We just passed our climate control over there. And this is the 25TH. Now I'm going to walk through how to operate all the extra fun stuff for us. So stick around and don't go anywhere. Okay, so I have everything opened up right now and I just want to show you how to close some of these things up when I am going to turn this into the full toy hauler in the full garage mode. First and foremost, I want to change up the bar area, okay? All right, so with this little bar area here, you have 3 little arms that hold this up. Bring those down. Just bring that right down. These store away underneath the bed. All right, so let's get all this tucked out of the way for right now because it's that simple. I'm going to take my ladder, make sure I take the bracket out from underneath, and I'm going to set this in the bed area. I'm going to go brackets facing down so I don't get a surprise when I get up into the bed, okay? Next, all I'm going to do is lift up. Boom, done. All right, now this area is all opened up. Now what I want to do is I want to get this table out of the way. I'm going to take this right in and set it on the master bed. All right, next, I have the 2 seats. These, I just want to make sure you know how to operate. These are jackknife sofas, and they also turn into beds. Okay, so technically I have 2 beds here. I could always do a single bed if I wanted to. Have a single bed, single couch, whatever. Right now, again, I want to turn it into that nice open garage area. And I want to latch it in so nothing falls onto my toys while I'm driving. Do the same with this side. Boom. Again, this ramp door is 7 foot 3 inches wide, and this whole garage area from here to the entertainment center is 14 foot 8 inches long. Okay, and I will share the diameter of this width right here in the video with the floor plan. Bye-bye. I hope you like this awesome episode. This toy hauler is by far one of my favorites. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. Every week, I'll give you an awesome video on a walkthrough of a camper, and I'll give you some of my van life adventures or some camper comparisons. So keep on coming back, and thank you all for watching. Welcome back, YouTube. I'm glad you're here. In this one, I want to show you this awesome toy hauler.